My name is Nathina Antoinette. We are trying to pop like a bottle of my favorite Moet, so go ahead and click the subscribe button, please. We are going to be putting on these press-ons using the acrylic as glue method. I have already gone ahead and prepped my nails, so if you are interested in seeing how I fully prep my nails for my press-ons, be sure to click on this video up here. Let's go ahead and size these nails. The box was already a little beat up when I got them from the store, but it's all good. This is the Kiss Premium Classy collection. They were $10. My goodness. Glue, we don't need that. I think that looks good. Pour some liquid. I'm gonna use this nail liquid from Beauty Secrets. I got this from Sally's. Hold up, son. Let mommy do this, okay? Alright, so our nails have been fully prepped. I'm just gonna go in with this acid-free primer and place that over my nails. Liquid. I'm gonna start with that nail. Now my goal is to get a nice acrylic bead, which I struggle with, but okay. Well, that's embarrassing. Act like y'all didn't see that. I'm gonna try again. Hold up, Cash. I think it was just too wet. Okay, now I'm gonna place that right there. And quickly before it dries, I'm gonna place that on. And clean that up. So again, let's try to get a nice acrylic bead, and we're going to place that not at the very bottom of the nail, but somewhere near the base, and you're going to apply at, I say, about a 45-degree angle, and then you're going to lay it down till it's flat. See? And that time we did pretty good. Acrylic bead, not at the very bottom. There. 45 degrees. And lay it flat. And hold. Y'all, I don't know if it's because of my age or what, but I am falling in love with white. Like, I want to wear white more. And of course, it will be when I have a little toddler that I would want to wear more white. But isn't that gorgeous? That's gorgeous. A close up. Okay. I'm gonna leave it flat then. Go here. Pick it up. Put it down. 45 degrees. Push. Lay it flat. Tell me what.